Residents in Indian capital New Delhi complained of breathing difficulties on Thursday as the deteriorating air quality pushed the index to hazardous category. The Delhi government on Thursday launched a mobile app for registering complaints about violation of anti-pollution norms in the city as part of its action plan to fight air pollution, which has become an annual crisis amid onset of winters.
The deteriorating air quality in Indian capital, New Delhi, pushed the index to hazardous category on Thursday, with the air quality index reading to 395 early in the morning. Any reading above 100 on the scale of 500 is considered progressively unsafe for health. As pollution spiked, the India Gate War Memorial and the Akshardham Temple were blanketed in smog while vehicles and trains were seen plying amid thick smog. Residents said they were facing problems in stepping out for their daily activities due to the rising pollution.
पिछले 4-5 दिनों से यहाँ पे पोल्यूशन बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा है और मैं पिछले 1 महीने मनाली में था। जब मैं वहाँ से वापस आ रहा था मैंने देखा अम्बाला से लेकर यहाँ तक पूरा स्टबल बर्निंग हो रहा है, जिसकी वजह से बहुत पोल्यूशन हो रहा है। इंडिया गेट भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है और राष्ट्रपति भवन भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है।
Meanwhile, as part of government's action plan to fight air pollution, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Thursday launched Green Delhi mobile application, which will enable users to register complaints about violation of anti-pollution norms, including burning of waste, industrial and dust pollution.
आप देख रहे हैं कहीं इंडस्ट्रियल पोल्यूशन हो रहा है, कहीं कोई व्हीकल है वो व्हीकल बहुत ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन कर रहा है, कहीं किसी और वजह से डस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन का डस्ट निकल रहा है। कहीं भी किसी भी तरह का आप अगर पोल्यूशन देख रहे हैं तो आप इस ऐप के ज़रिए कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं।
Apart from the onset of winter season, illegal crop burning in farm states surrounding the Indian capital, vehicle exhaust and swirling construction dust contribute to what has become an annual crisis.